Building on the success of the HT-X1, Tomocube continues to push the boundaries of bioimaging innovation. Tomocube continues to drive innovation with the HT-X1+, an advanced platform built to meet the ever-growing demands of biomedical research. With its high-end specifications, the HT-X1+ elevates low-coherence holotomography, offering researchers powerful tools for precise imaging and reliable quantitative analysis across diverse applications. Experience a 4 times larger field of view, enabling faster, high-throughput screening with unmatched efficiency. The new high-performance CXP camera also allows for a faster scanning speed with an acquisition time of less than 4 seconds per well. With this new feature, you can complete a 96 well plate screening in under 30 minutes, allowing you to streamline your workflow. 3 wavelength options let you tailor your holotomography imaging for optimal image contrast or light penetration depth. This adaptability enables the imaging of various challenging specimens while minimizing interference from absorption spectra. To enhance seamless integration of molecular studies with 3D images at single-cell resolution, the HT-X1+ incorporates an SCMOS camera to achieve higher fluorescent signal sensitivity and shorter exposures, perfect for correlative fluorescence imaging. A new dedicated low-resolution scan camera enables a wide area preview, making it easy to detect large samples. Unlock histological insights with color bright field imaging, including hematoxylin eosin stain and immunohistochemistry. The HT-X1+ expands the possibilities of scientific discoveries with its enhanced capabilities, taking your research further than ever before.